Here is what you will discover during this live workshop. On the day 1, we shall deep dive into the unconventional medias customized for your business. By leveraging the power of unconventional medias, you will get better quality leads cheaper and faster than the conventional media or even the social media. Now, that simply means that once you make the list of your unconventional medias, you will save a lot of money on your marketing activities. Now, this is a live interactive workshop, so all of your questions will be answered live right then and there. On the day 2, you will discover how could you leverage the power of technology with just a few clicks to maximize the sales and maximize your profits. By the end of the second day, you will generate a first email sequence, that is subscriber to customer. So how could you convert your subscriber into a customer? Now at the end of this program, you will reduce the ad spend by getting the leads cheaper and faster from the list of unconventional traffic sources. Now that will save a lot of money for you. You will save a lot of time by using the simplest technology to automate your marketing activities and put your sales on autopilot. Your sales will grow with the help of smart closing techniques. You will have complete clarity on your marketing activities to grow your business. You will break through all of your sales targets and all of your sales goals. Just imagine what could you do with the extra money and extra time that you will get as a result of this program. With the help of extra money, you could offer a bonus to your employees. And with the help of extra time, you could get on a vacation that you have been planning since long, isn't it? Apart from these amazing benefits, we have some special bonuses for you that you will see on the next page. The regular cost for this Ultimate Marketing Maximizer workshop is $997, and with the benefits that I just mentioned, it is totally worth the investment. However, due to pandemic, we are keeping it online over a Zoom session, and hence we don't need to book the hotels, and we are saving a huge cost on that front, and we are passing on all the benefits to our attendees. Hence, I am offering this workshop at an unbelievable huge discount for a limited period of time. Click the link around this video and grab this special offer right now. You can click to register now. Thank you.